Jim, ano ka?
Ako yun, eh, boy!
Ay, dito na eh.
Jen! Oh! Ano yung... Jen! Siguan ba?
Oops, ya, mali popcorn.
Number 14, the number 4, pass to number 1. Pass to number 14, Leon, no good. Number 18, 82. Jaroslav 20. 54, float, good. 2-1. Pass to number 27, Tumayan 3. 3 points.
Wala si second game na.
Naapa eh.
Wala na.
Naapa.
Ang punta ka sa dosi. Napay second game.
Naapa.
Napay.
Number 1, the remaining ball.
Hindi ka litok. Ako.
Leon, no good. 98. Still by number 27.
Ano, si Pendon, Papa na nagunagod. Still by Papa ba?
98.
Tama sila ka.
Yes, good.
Counted ko, coach. Coach, counted to, coach.
Isa.
The freaking hell is this?
Counted to. Yes, coach.
Ano dito?
Hindi, kon. Ngayon, tawag na sila. Kon, tawag na sila. Ito na.
Turn off.
Time out. Bago pa ng sugod. Pinagotarong dito sugod eh. Arara pa sa
20%. Battery remaining.
Coach!
Low battery.
Low battery.
Low battery. 20% remaining. Ay, dili. Low
Yes.
battery. 20% battery remaining. Oh, grabe.
Bert. Dito, coach.
Ayun.
Bulok.
Ngano din ako ba?
Wala lang may extension yun.
Wala na, coach. Wala na sila line.
Gusto ko tumig sa mga game.
Ano na sila lalab? Hindi sila kaya lalab.
Kuha pa extension, coach.
Lagi na eh, at least.
Varsity guys, varsity. Varsity gikan bilyaran. Nyo varsity gikan bilyaran. Ari lagi na.
Hello.
Jin! Atay, bari. Ayaw ko na ba?
Hello.
Wait lang. Palaon na ko wala na echo.
Hello.
Ay, kung
Balik na! Balik na!
Hello. Dara, ay, lagi.
wala pa di anak lagi na to.
Tingnan gila.
Katunggal live sa pag-last ba? Iya kapag ipatabang ang kamera niya ay. Kanina ba?
Daserte ko si Gala karma. Nico mo pre.
Cappuccino. Asesino. Wala. Lali na.
Tarikot. Balik. Lari, lo. Move.
Tralala.
Ay, bawal, may kanta eh.
Bawal dahil.
Kamu, koko panto.
Kupanto
Sorry
daw.
mo.
Kupanto.
At ikan kung madaklan kader nagunso all diri para madaklan ka.
Dito nang pinaka
Hello.
Meron ng tres. Bum.
gay.
Bayot mga Vince.
Sa trabaho pag kuma.
Magsuot ko gito mga kayo. Pwede ang kuhan.
Busog kumain, halos hardo. Hilo, halusal. Sa pratas na siya?
Doon, gusto
Sige, sama. Si EG
boy.
Martinez. Putan, nangkanta.
Hoy, kanta sila eh.
Nangkanta sila. Cappuccino.
Orkalilo,
Color
rela.
cappuccino. Uy! Tralala. Do! Kondisyon kayo kayo na do.
Kondisyon.
Aray, kondisyon ay. EG Manos.
Bong! Grabe ay. Highlight. Dali be, highlight. Uy, yung wala na sayang ay.
Tralala. Kita ko back to the ball game.
Pito na? Ayos.
Four na niya, no?
Po, nakawang usang kuan. Sabi mo, sakto na coach.
Pito na.
Mana.
Number 98. Number 27, number 28, pass to number 3. 4.
Saan ko na, Joy?
Number 27. 88, number 3. Good for 3 points.
Buang. Time. Ako'y time be. Ikaw time.
Ako na lang ko.
Dali, uy. Ang live ba?
Kuan ni live video. Ike live video. Taro nga.
Sa clock 22.
Sama nito, uy. Di mo na makita ako.
Pina, uy.
27, dumadala ng bola. Pass to 6.
Kaya sa stawi.
Start clock.
Ako bi.
Number 1.
Ay, di na.
Number 8.
Hindi mo kita na siya.
Number 8. Number 3. Number.
Arvin.
Bola sa labing net.
Si
Ay,
kuan ay.
agulong mata. Ay,
Ay, shot clock na lang ang sa nga itong i-announce eh.
saan ka rin lagi?
9, 8, 7, 6.
Ako na bi.
Ay, nalang dir.
Ingnan lang kung namatay mo ako.
Shoot?
Shot.
Ingnan po, siguro ko yung time.
Start clock. Number 15.
Oh, nagkap.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Lumoy. Ang time ba? Timing. Hindi ako time.
Mogi. Saya ka ga. Ingnan time.
Time 7, 26 minutes.
Uy, ambay. 7 minutes 20 seconds.
Ako tig, kung sabi.
Number 8. Steal by number 98. Number 98. It's an increase.
No, it's on trees.
Number 27. Bang. Good for 3 points. Aguar holding the ball. Pass to number 27. Number 27.
Tanutan o shot.
Who's power ref?
Oras.
Number 98.
Oras.
Pirim.
First personal foul, first team foul.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Ari ko.
14 seconds shot clock. Aguar. Rebound. Gala holding the ball.
Der, number na ko na ayaw panganding. Double holding ba?
Number 28. Good for 2 points. Number 8. Number 8. Holding the ball.
Dribbling, double man na. Dribbling, uy.
Among. Rebound by number 6. Number 6.
Easy 2 point by number 6.
Easy 2 point by number 6.
The older
Steal by number 98. 98. Pass to number 27. 15 seconds shot clock. Amores.
Number lagi.
03. Tumira lang twist. To number 8.
Time. Still bet na
5 minutes and 30 seconds.
good. 27.
Number 27. Pass to number 98. To number 28. Rebound by number 28. At the bounce. Same ball.
Bossing na mo time out ang pikas.
8 seconds shot clock. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rebound by number 27 to number 24. Number 24. What a block by Amores. Number 27. Number 27. Ooh, what a nice move.
What a nice move. Scoring na.
9-19. In favor of Optic Ken. Amor, to Suwan. Suwan. What a nice 2 points. What a nice pass.
Reserve time out, reserve. Dead ball,
Reserve.
dead ball.
Dead ball. Number 27. Number 27.
Saya kayo.
Number 6.
Saya kayo.
Traveling. Time out. Team Maryland. Score 11-29 of favor of Tekyon.
Asa despilit
Der, siya der kaya para matarong der. Siya lang der kaya para matarong der.
Ako retig ng amin.
Shot clock.
Shot lang ka, ya ko ana. Naingon na ang foul je nya. Kung gisa gadalag bola, storya ha.
Surya pa na yun, Jay. Ang ganda sa ulang surya.
Oh.
Surya yun.
Isa mo lang.
Wala sa love you, man.
Aray ko.
Aray ko po. Ini number, hulok.
Ikisultiyog. Oo ko.
Number 6. Pass to number 27. 27. Pass to number 28. 15 seconds shot clock. What a block. Steal by number 27. Number 27. Rebound by number 28. Number 28. Who's power left? 24. Number 24.
First personal foul, first team foul.
First personal foul. First team foul.
Sandir, mo yun.
Stop.
Sak.
Diri ko sa tunga po.
Pupuline. Dari pupuline. Ayaw, ikaw pakulit ng kisingat.
Pupulay ba? Pupulay. Liman ka, pupulay. Game mo ka
Number
na.
8.
Live ay.
Number 8.
Number 1. Ay, ano lang? Piji! Tigoy!
Paabot mo po. Ay, abi mo gunong.
Number 28. Traveling.
Violation! Uy! Ina sa violation kaya unsa diyan traveling just adtos.
Stepping on the line.
Der, mata traveling violation kay unsa siya ni travel just line look der.
Grabe ng violation na tapas po.
Kadang-kadang ka.
13-21 of favor of Tekyon.
Optic yun. Same ball, la.
19 seconds shot clock.
Do.
Steal by Kobe. Jump shot. No good. Number 8 for the rebound. Number 6. Easy 2 points by number 6. To number 11. Number 11. 2 minutes. 2 minutes and 5 seconds left. What a nice 3 by number 8. To number 15. To number 15. Steal by number 14. Number 14. Liap. Bad pass. Turnover. But what ang love you mean? To number 6. To number 6. Drive. What a nice drive. 1 minute and 30 seconds. To To number 14, to number 1, Diop. Total rebound by Amore. Number 6. 7. With 2 points. To number 1, pass by number 24. To number 24. To number 17. To number 8. No good. Rebound by number 98. 98. Driving. Utilized pass by number 98. 50 seconds remaining on the time.
Coach,
Ball
content, coach.
number 6. Number 6.
Counted, coach.
Stay. Uy, Jim. Pino, Jim. Jim. First personal foul, second team foul. First personal foul, second team foul. First personal foul, second team foul.
First personal foul, second team foul. 20 seconds. First rebound by number 8.
Hindi ko sabot mo to. Bugo. First personal foul, second team foul.
15 seconds. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 11 seconds. 18:31. The paper of the taken.
Oy, hindi mo tama niya.
Ikay ko dito ko.
Ako'y ayaw ako kami. Ayaw ko.
Kisa lagi.
Kaya si ikay ko na na kay para mag-ipog sa kanila.
Ay, ikaw.
Siya ra.
Kaya magkasama ng dagko.
Siya.
Kawa ko kaniya. Naon sa to kaniya.
Kato. Ay,
Timer. Timer.
Now, tumaway na bot. Agak.
Panaw. Hindi kisa to finger nung.
Fingerprint po to ako po. Takam.
back to the ball game na. Back to the ball game. Yun, takapin yun. Jeez, go.
Back to the ball game. Time of second quarter.
Dali mo.
Our score 18-31 in favor of Octagon.
American.
Bulan sa
Mabaryal na, oy. Mabaryal na.
Octagon. Turnover.
Ay ba, kalubot rin ba yan eh, kolera. Wait ako nga, nanilubot eh.
Ang cellphone?
Wala.
Ibta na, hala. Noong samtan kay. Ibta na, dara. Okay, ko be.
What a pass. Too much feeling.
Kabot sa.
Good 2 points by number 17. Gala.
Kupta na lang tanig. Ako rin, be.
Lubot, uy.
In shot
Kupta
clock.
na itong cellphone. Pero ngayon, ito na patanong.
Wala na shot. Power rebound. Nakuha ni Kailan.
Retard siya na.
Now the
Kailan. Itira. Ari-ari pick. Abu-ari pick. Ruby. Tita Colbit. Wala shot. Nakuha ni Watsili. Number 17. Iba ek-ek. Wah, Kailan. Kailan. Pasabay. Timaki.
pagalit ko na to.
Foul number 11. Allah. Foul si Allah.
First personal foul, third team foul.
12 second shot clock.
Yeah, first game. Guniti siya, Gio. Guniti siya.
Ano, noong samtan. Kamagin.
Archie, Makdak. Foul number who's foul? Number 14. 14.
That is pilay foul.
First.
First personal foul. First team foul. Galani drive. Happy to turnover. Nakuha ni Amores. Good 3 points. Amores. Shout out ni Vince Kisot. Makioks. Out ang Octic yun. 14 shot clock left.
Ako din na ito sa
Jimmy. Gono ba mga yu?
Wow, good 2 points, number 24.
Allah, Ipasan is one, he drop. The team, avoid number 11, on number 14. Kemake, one shot, avoid number 27. Number 7, number 7, he drive. Number 7, he drive, he jump. One shot. Power rebound by Kuya Maki. Gainat, tumira, wag fake, pick and roll. Ooh, good pass. Block by number 6. Amores, ipasa ni Gala. Good boy.
Atay, hindi man ikabot. Lera, gidane.
Oras, 7 minutes and 5 seconds. 15 shot clock. 4-3. Good 3 points to break. Boom. Sinalikan di number 22. Pass break, turnover. Archie. Boom. Good 2 points. Number 6.
Saibong.
Kainat. Kipasa ni Kemaki. Wow! Back to back, 3 points. Terus lagi yang 2. Traveling 11. Kita jangan sekelas. Because his foot is not working. Kainat. Tumira. One shot. Rebound by Archie. Layup. Wow, what a jelly. Good point, number 6. Oh, happy na shot. Pag last year na shot.
Shot, didip.
Aying. Good turnover. Panay ko si Liala. Number 14, kinagpasahan. Ngayon pa na ni Gainat for 3. Wow, ginawa. Sayang. Suwan.
Sabi niya, Jojip.
Substitution. 14 seconds shot clock na. One, 4-3. Wow. Lance Liot. Good 3 points by Lance Liot. Number 24. Ipasa sa tunga. Ooh, what a shot. Archie, ni Doc. Good 2 points. Number 6.
Asayo na, hindi kaabot.
Turnover again.
Don't underestimate the power of the...
Han, ipatan ni Rodney. Rodney, tumira na 3.
Batman pasap.
Okay, what chilili? Number 34. What a shot. Rebound by Galab. What's chilili? Wow. Good 2 points by Herbs. Grab Herbs. Boarding house for Herbs. Aying, tumira ng 3. The short. The white t-shirt. Oops, steal by Amores. Amores, the drive. Aying, turnover, nakuha. Oh, Herbs, those are Herbs. Number 34, good 2 points, Abuhan. Suwan. 10. Time out. Team of Legion.
Ang sakit ng tenga ko.
Kuha sa tubig ang mo din. Kuha sa tubig ang mo.
14 shot clock left.
Kuha mo good, spilit good. Kuha spilit. Gusto mo yung good lang
Shout
po?
out ni Vince.
Boy. Buang. Tambay. G, sa lang nga. Gamay na nga. 35.
Ha? Unsa? 35 lang, hindi starting point.
There.
Max with a ball game. Unas, 3 minutes and 26 minutes left. Ang score, 32 for lead in favor of Okekyon.
Guilds 1.
Shout out. 10, 9. Good 2 points by Gala. Kanyete, kita kapasan. Pasa ni Abuhar. One shot. Kuha ni Gala. Gala, Woods. Goes up now by number 1. Not counted. Counted, ref.
First game.
Counted.
First.
14 shot clock
Yeah,
left.
first personal foul.
13. Wow! 2 3 points by number 27. Kanyete. Pasalig.
Ay, napag-aro kaya may aro daw.
Oops, Rodrig, struggling. Aying. Oops. Pasa ni number 98. Gala, tumira ng 3. One shot. Kuha ni Kanyete. Wow, good 2 points.
Ngayapin ako balik ang baso. Oh, ay, butang.
15 shot clock. Problem violation. Sipu.
Uyog mo na eh.
1 minute and 3 seconds left. 24, ipasa.
Tapos PG.
Pagwapo ni Black Kids. Shot out Black Kids. 13 shot clock left. 14, good 2 points. 27, 28, pasa ni Rudy, let's look.
There!
Pasa ni Oops. Isago, Gasol, Swan ni Fake, ipasa ni Rudy. Wow, walang shot, Oops. Happy. Good 2 points.
Dito to naka-shot.
55 seconds left. 53-38 in favor of Okekyon.
50 seconds lang.
10 shot clock remaining. Swan dito po saan? 5, 4. Good 2 points. By number 27. Kanyete. 30 seconds remaining.
Ate.
Ooh, what a spin. There is a foul. Foul number 98. Number 98.
Kini Paul.
Yan sa ba? Number
28. Ay, 28 ba ito?
28, 98.
Second throw.
Hindi.
Oh, 15. Kini Paul.
Number 15.
Wala.
First pa.
Action. Stop.
6, 5, 4. Good 2 points, Abuhar. 2, 1.
Tubig ka, mag-order mo daw.
End of the second quarter. Ang score, 40-45. Napag 15 ang Okekyon. Sa mga viewers niya karon, thank you for watching. Kung gusto mo magpa-shoutout, just comment. Tuklok, kung gusto mo mga kwarta, tuklok ka. Jeep, hiring mo niya.
Tay. Oye, bali na!
Ball starting on third quarter.
Patay. Jeep, tali. Asa jeep mo? Si Jeep. Jeep.
Jim! Jim!
Pito.
Mana?
Asa si Jim?
Nagipalit.
Patay, di ba dyan ka ba?
Cañete! Cañete! One shot! Rebound, oops! Out by
Under.
Team Trupang Labime.
Baan mo eh.
Shot clock lang. Limot ka ba? Lara.
Jim, pagpasi! Amores! Juan Bernard! Rebound by
Shot lang,
Aguilar.
Uy, shot lang.
Oops, what a drop! Good 2 points! By number 15.
Ang shot ka.
Ilama. Ilama ba?
15 shot clock left.
13.
Gala, oop! One shot, rebound by Bernard.
Rebound. Kaya na bro.
Aguhar! Ikapagit! Ipasa! Kuya Inad! One shot, good rebound by Kuya Lalap. Good 2 points by Kuya Lalap. Iterano ng deep. 19 shot clock left. 18, 17. Fast break steal by Amores. Amores, whoop. What was that call?
Dead ball yan.
Traveling violation. Turnover. What a crap. Oops. Turnover. Ooh. Number 03. Good 2 points to make Curry. Chicken curry.
Nyara.
Kasi basta may mga comment para ba?
Ay, wala.
Corniente, boom! Power block. Fourth. 10, 9. Good 2 points, Amore.
Amuris mo.
Out, Corniente.
Ewan, kaya mo.
Galang, ni Kusupe, galang, i-drop ni Benedict. Allah, paso lang, ready. Boom! One shot. One by Grenade. Team by Benedict. Pabalay. Good. 2 points. Dalawa. Out. Bola sa Trupang Labime. Score 46-57 in favor of the Pegron. On time, 7 minutes and 9 seconds left. Kuya Lala, bang! Good 2 points, Kuya Lala. 48-57.
Kasi ang mga napalit.
Coach, na-reserve sa ba?
Ang oras. Lauret, one shot. Good 2 points, number 98. Pabalay.
Dead ball lagi. Version play na.
Kuya Inad.
Si gara-gara tigyon. Kita ba ka tigyon?
Kuya Inad! Bang, one shot. Oops. Bura sa object yun. Gala.
Labay mo.
Tumira ng 3. Bang! Good 2 points. Good 3 points.
Kuha na sabi. Yun sa bagan.
12 seconds shot clock. Oops! Kuha balik. Foul! Number 6. Pilay pa, number 6. Aying. Kanang
Second.
second. Second personal foul, number 6. Fourth. Foul rebound, Wally Amores. Bang, lumipad. Good throw sa the 6. Lupang Lagunen. Ruben the ball, the pass on number 14. Cañete in the drive. Good 2 points, Cañete.
Kanyata.
the Cañetes, father and father.
Oh.
Stop. Hit ang dead ball.
Suwan, Lipasa, turnover. Abuhan. Good 2 points. Number 24.
Sabi sa ninyo?
Mapito na basta. Tensibo. Ipito na.
Ayan sa ilat eh.
Wait. Time out.
Naonak ni Kuya Biro. Naonak ni. Kita ko naonak niya. Naonak.
Ba ako mana? Ano? Mas mo na. Kira gi-extend ga. Gi anak gitu.
Daba kasi. Daba kasi. Sige, kagusot ha.
Saan na to?
Sportsmanship. Trabaho lang, walang personalan. Number 7. Oops. Suwan. 13 shot clock. Turnover.
Nagpares siya bugtay mo.
52-64 in favor of Pigyon. Oras, 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Cañete, one shot. Rebound by Cañete again. Kita pasa ni Kuya Lalap. Rebound by Cañete again. Kuya Lalap, kita forward. One shot, rebound. Oops. Steal naman. Out. Block by number 6. 14 shot clock left.
Kasi next game na niya.
Substitution.
Ya, ganyan yung ningon niya. Ha? Ganyan yung ningon.
13 shot clock left. 10. Oops. Turn. Good rebound by the 6. Gala ni Cribes.
At bati ang
Good 2 points, number 27.
tagak man.
Tanawang ring, ikaw shot.
Turnover. Bula sa Team Pigyon. 52-66 in favor of Team Pigyon. Swan, drop,
Jeep.
cut,
Shot lang,
good 2 points. Gala. Herbs, ang sama na Herbs. Lalagpot ang mula Herbs. Ooh. Fade away. 14 shot clock. Rebound by number 14. Number 14, di-drop ni Herbs. Herbs na inapasahan.
Uy, kagak.
Cañete. Oops. Wow, nalapas. Turnover.
Saat niya daw. Jeff, saat niya daw, Jeff.
Dead ball, boss, Mac. Dead ball.
Ay, ikaw ano ba live? Ikaw live.
Shot. Kailan, 1 foot. One shot.
Live lang ka.
Balay, nakita pasahan. 14 shot clock left. Wow. What a normal shoot. Good 2 points. I mean. Whoops, good drop by number 24.
Score 54-70.
Nago.
Ang score, 54-70 in favor of Pigyon. Oras, 2 minutes and 10 seconds remaining. Swan, ooh! Wow! Good 2 point. Number 28. Turnover. Substitution. In, out, out, in. Wow! Good 2 points, number 14. Number 8, drop, steal, boat, Herbs. Oops, sorry, nagawa. Good 2 points, Herbs.
Wala na beans day.
Wala na.
Dua mo to.
13 shot clock left. 1, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Ano man eh?
Foul. Number 14.
Time out. Kunong shot clock? 24 ni Pito. Ni Pito mo. Talaw shot clock.
Foul number 14. Number 14.
Second.
Second personal foul.
Pilay team foul.
First team foul.
That's good.
Ay, second. Both team are second team foul.
What is second game? What they bring? Maglumlum, des balay dahil laay kayo. Lumlum baka na magpuyos ba eh.
Nagaraw ka sa direk.
Amo.
Uy!
Back to the ball game. Asa, dalag. Dalag ng wifi.
Lag. Sorry.
Sorry. Lay.
Sabi, lag, wifi ako eh. Pag-convert ka rin.
Samot naglang.
Bomb. Lumipad. Number 6. Good 2 points. Number 6.
Aguar. One shot. Rebound by Amores. Amores.
Good 2 points. Amores. Good 2 points. Number 6.
Amores. Oops. Herbs kita masahan. Aguar. Kembangin. One shot. Rebound by Belalat. What a power move.
Good 2 points. Belalat.
29 seconds left.
15 shot clock left. 10. Good. Rebound.
15 seconds left.
Ang charger kasi magbubo. Hindi mo.
10, 9,
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and on the third quarter, score 76-64 in favor of team of Pedron. Kumala ang third quarter. Shout out to your kids. Gwapo rin na rin.
Awa. Buka na.
Ay, gila, balik daw.
Vince, shout out Vince Pisabilla.
Pinakonhatag din.
Aron na napilit ay.
Vince, mga hatag ka Vince.
Coach, bawal na nakadua. Coach, may sa full quarter na.
Pito poy.
Starting of fourth quarter. Shout out ni Carl Emerald Tasura.
Hey!
Saan na team si Unsa?
Ah, butchik ba?
Starting of fourth quarter. Ang score 76-64 in favor of team of Pedron.
Ayun mo naman.
Eko, ipahawang
Suwan. 14 shot clock. Bang! Good 2, 3 points by number 22.
Two points.
Butang ilang gamay.
Kuya Inad! One shot. Oops, team by Swan. Gala, good 2 points, number 28 to 27. 28 to 27.
Or Koreano tayo.
What a play. Aguilar! What a jelly layup. Good 2 points by number 24, Idol Lavo.
Or Koreano tunaon eh.
Swan, late up hand, pass and Archie, crossover. Bang, one shot. Kobe, woo, pinasabay. Good 2 points, Kanyete. Terus mo video. Asa mo ka?
Di mo klaro jeep.
Galang, lipit. Tapi tulogan. Op,
Ah, di mo.
tapping, nakatulog ko tayo si Rodney.
Silot lagi na. Ay, ay, ay.
Good 2 points, Kanyete. 78-1, Labao Ponce, Timok Legion. Galang, lipit. Galang, kinatasan. Swan, fake, Swan, crossover. Swan, foul number 8. Number 8. Number 8, that is your third personal foul. First personal foul, third team foul. First team foul. Vince Bayot, anak si Coach Guy. Good one throw. Substitution. In, out, in. In. Kanyete, Gasol, foul, number 27.
First dip.
First personal foul, number 27, second team foul. 15 shot clock left. Number 24. Herbs, up, shot, power rebound by Kanyete, good drop. Kuha niya balik. Oh, one foot leg shot. Good 2 points, number 1. Kanyete.
Kanyeta.
Carl Lermer, kulatanaw na ka. Kulatanaw ka rin, uli na. Kanyete, Amores. Tumupo sa ere. Fast break, oops, turnover. Time out! Kaya pa daw, anak si Ati Daday. Shout out ni Ati Daday. Vince Bayot, anak si Coach Guy. Vince, kung naminaw ka, bayot ka.
Ay, paminaw!
Vince, kung lili ka, bayot ka. Right?
Kahit nga mata ay.
Back to the ball game.
Basig na lang.
Connects converge ba? Alin dito, tuslok ka nila converge. Nakoy wire nila converge. I-connect sa power bank ko.
Padapalay na.
Kusog sa converge. Number 4.
Oops, ginawa. Sayang. Amores ni drive. Good 2 points, Amores. Good on turnover.
Sige, katago ka ko sige.
Alimutan. Kanyete. Gabutero. Umupo, pinasa. Oh, one shot. Good 2 points. Good 2 points. Gala.
Ataka rin jeep.
Number 4. Ipasali ko Lalab. Wow! What a teardrop by Kuya Lalab. Proud at Lalab. Oops! Hapit mag-over.
Ambo, magajip.
Wow! Nag-iinit na yun si Rudy. Lancelot. Turnover.
Sinong pilitin, oh?
Amores. Gipatay oras.
Sub.
Amores crossover. Amores drive. One shot. Pasak. Ni-fake. Go. Turnover. Suwalo. What a fake. Euro step. Pinoy step. Pinoy. Pagguhar. Kobe ng Pinas. Gibangga ang duha. One shot. Oops. Nabarag Tutski. Ayok by Gala and Archie Iyas pass. Wow! One shot. Amores still by Amores. Substitution. In, out, out, in. Out, in, out.
Out, in, out,
Sa 3 viewers, shout out niya. Kung kinsa mo, shout out niya. 19 shot clock left. Number 24, bang! Good 2-3 points by number 24, Aguhar.
Nangutot ka ng jip-jip.
Oops, steal. Steal. Pressure panalay. 10, 9. Aying. Good 2 points. Aying. Aguhar, step back. One shot. Aying, drive. Ooh, good 2 points. Aying.
Ayun mo.
Good 2 points. Amores.
Amiris ko po.
Number 28. 15, Shagak. Gala. Rebound by Aguhar. Kanyete, nitira 3. Bang, short. Iwi ang ring, i-smoke ka na. Grabe eh. Good 2 point, aying. Allah. AKA Allah.
Ano naman eh? Ulit.
Ito yung aking. AKA Allah. Allah, rin ang pasahan. Allah, ubalo. Kanyede. Bang, one shot.
Natuyo guys, natuyo.
Rebound by number 6, Amores. Foul number 1, Kanyete. Time out. Okay, take yun.
Sorry. Natuyo. Nabali yung kamera.
Natubang mo.
Natubang na. Nakita ko sa kagwapo. Nakita sa kagwapo. Unsa magiging
Shout out, Serginian.
Unsa magiging
Tanawang ka.
Unsa magiging jeep nangutot ka.
Anak si GL.
Oy gamaya mag-fans eh kundi nag 100 eh. Kaya rin jeep eh.
Back to the ball game. So, score by 79-96. Kapriya ang number, pero di Kapriya ang score. 97-79 in favor team of Kigor.
Ammo.
Oops, cut in, cut out. Good 2 points. Number 28.
Ate tagap.
99-79. Kanyete, oh, good 3 points. Kanyete.
Gamay na lang kayo.
Number 28. Kusover. Hindi na masahan. Ipasa ni Amores, turnover, Kuyalala, pass break, steal by Gala. Steal by, good 2 points. Gala gihasol. Gala, pass break sa kontra. Kanyete! Bang! Good 3 points, number 1.
Toy.
Kira, storya daw, Jeff.
Amores. Oh. Turnover.
Butang.
Amores.
Pagkabihok doon eh.
Sigaw ko eh. Ito ang sigaw. Bang! Good 3 points. Number 24. Grabe na person. Pabalay. Steal by Cañete. Good 2 points. Cañete. What a steal. Wow! Good 2 points.
Not counted.
Not counted down, not counted. Foul down.
Jeep, ito balita na, Jeep.
Wala ni tinot.
No timeout left on Team Lagre.
Uy, Jeep.
Wala na.
Jeep, huwag ka ba si Percy? Hindi ko ba la, chilelelew.
22.
29, 28. 28, 29. Tayo agad.
Tigyon! Hoy, tigyon! 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 Do.
Among gitaod ang among
Putin. Ang cameraman.
ay binastos mo.
Tralalele.
Second team foul. Kanite, pila pa uli kanite. 2 personal. Second personal foul Kanite.
2% na
2% for
13 shot clock left. 10, 9. Ooh, power shoot. Good 2 points. Go, matagak na go. Yan na go.
Mugoy. Hindi, matarang ko.
Oops, turnover. Naglibog sila. Kisay mo dawat sa bola. Oras, 3 minutes and 35 seconds left. Score, 92-101. In favor team Mocteo, turnover again. Grabe ang dua karamagawa.
Puros to no.
Labaw na lang o 9. Gabutero, Cañete, Father and Son, Suwan, Itakutan, good 2 points again, number 27, 103-92.
Saba, LG.
13 shot clock left. Ooh, Kobe. Faded away. Skipper faded away.
Buang ka, Jeep.
Aying, crossover. Aying, ni drive. Bang! Good 2 points. Gala. Dile Aying, Gala. Turnover again. Traveling. What happened? Traveling violation. Baho mong mic ka ni. Sam ni mic kay. Iugo mo ni.
Kaya ako ano.
What na shot.
Basta imong laway na bawo, Jeep.
Oh, mic ka. Good 2 points again. Gala. Cañete. Oh. Number 24. Foul number 14. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Grabe kayong dua karon. Grabe Stop the car. 13 shot clock left. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Bang! Boarding house by Aying. 15. Dos. Gabutero, ipasa ni Kuyamake. Power layup. Oops, saliop dahil sa Padrinan. Amores, drop. Bang! Good 2 points. Gala. Nagparamdam ang MVP. Good 2 points, Cañete. Oras. 1 minute and 55 seconds. Oh, umupo sa Eric. What about counting? Goal team. 15 shot clock left. Backward violation. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Cañete, bam! Good 3 points, Cañete. Boy, crossing violation. 4th personal foul. 4th team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 7.
Ronaldo.
Archie. Dribbling the ball. He drive. Good 2 points. Amore. Cañete. Powered up by Patterson. Good 2 points. 103, 115. Labaw 12. Drop. Shot. Si Ala. Wala shot ang 2 points. What a fake. Kuya Lalab. Foul. Counted. Foul number 98. Pabalay. Good 2 points. Foul counted. And 1.
Second.
Second personal foul number 98. Out.
Atay,
1-0-7. Score 106, 115. Labaw Lady. Amores fake foul by 0-0 Cañete. Sabi niya, sumakay. First personal foul, penalty. Oras, 54 seconds left. Si Janbert, shout out Janbert Maloob. Suda pop. Ay, mas suda pop.
Ataw ka, yun yung mga ito. Galaw, ito ba? Naaba!
Sa viewers, shout out niya. Turnover team Lagime. Bulas at okay yun. Karukaw.
Hindi, game tawag live lagi. Kikon, king.
51 shot clock left. Up to 51 seconds left.
Nga, alas 12, bagay!
Good foul kasi. Good 2 points. Amores.
Unsa na the time day?
Counted. Foul counted.
3 or 6? Awa na, graduate.
14. Graduate na number 14. Substitution.
Kulig school.
Double graduate. Graduate pag 90s. Oops, kuha. Oras, 95 seconds. Ay, 30 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Turnover. 26 seconds left. Bang! Good 3 points. Cañete. 20 seconds. No shot clock left.
Kaya sa game mo, boy. Papadapal mo yun.
15 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And live. Thank you for watching.
Finish.
And the Team Labulen. Ayun. Ang final score, 109-119. Nabawaran na po, kamay na. Uy,
26.
iskon ko ba yun?
30. 34. 34.
Shout out sa mga committee niya.
37. Ano?
Uso pag in live coach.